Dur tamam dur gel. Do it.
My God, psycho.
She was a fairy.
Et voici une opportunité de se nourrir assez de...
Can you get your tail out of my bath? Thank you.
Excuse me? Excuse me?
Hi, baby. Please don't bite me.
May I have your smelly bird?
What are you doing?
Кто доберман? Кто?
Stop! Finkel. Up.
Oh. To you too.
Theo. Come on.
You want food?
Max, I knew you.
I know you're about to bite me.
What?
She was a fairy. The party
Are you mad I brought a baby to your house?
It's gonna be hot.
Muffin, come here. Oh no. What? Is your food bowl empty?
Is he gonna deliver speed?
Like act like he. Okay,
Frankie! There you go.
I would say mentally I am not well.
The most beautiful girl in the room.
You?
Would you like to wear this as a hat?
Oh, that's liquor. That's liquor.
Oh, we got one.
Yeah.
Continue selling its oil and gas.
Go over everything for the wedding and just.
Hello? Where did he go?
See? It's alright. It's all good.
Are you part dog?
To see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
No.
I'm hungry.
Breakfast.
No, they are my chicken nuggets.
I know you're about to bite me.
Wait.
Are you ugly on purpose?
Percy!
Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants.